My name is Mohit and I started working in Cummins as a supply chain graduate. I've been rotated among different roles within the supply chain field. The culture here in Cummins of innovation and excellence has pushed me to be excellent in everything I do, and that is marvelous. One thing that Cummins always pushes our employees to do is a EEC activity. This is where we go out, help the local community. So it helps in the team bonding as well. But not only that, it also is impacting the community in a positive way. Cummins is focused on career development and learning. So while you're working with them, they'll keep pushing you to excel, to improve your current self. And I love that about Cummins. So while I was here, I've had a chance to improve on some of my skills myself, where I was enrolled in different courses and different trainings. Because as long as you're interested in what you're doing, you'll do it in a good way. So I feel I would strongly recommend Cummins to any placement or graduate students out there, and you'd be more than happy working here.